Yo, this is Edo Unboxing Official. Welcome to another episode, man. Today's episode, I'm gonna unbox a brand new hair trimmer from Kemei. This one right here, and this is the Kemei with the model number KM 1690. So, how can I say? I'm not really interested on this hair trimmer or something like that. What I'm interested on is this blade. Okay, here you can't really see it good. There is a design on this blade which I'm really interested on, but still, let's unbox this hair trimmer. Okay, all right. So this is the hair trimmer, once again with the model number KM 1690, and for me it looks like Clark Kent Fortress. I mean the charging dock. Okay. It's written here, got a DLC fixed blade. With 7,700 RPMs, 1,600 milliamp battery, 150 minutes operating time. Yeah, got a large torque motor. That's what they wrote here. And okay, charging time 2.5 hours. Okay, and got 10 watts. That's what's written here. So now let's open it, and just like this. As usual, the manual, 3 guide combs, charging cable, and it's a USB-C. Okay. There should be an oil here, but mostly it's not. It doesn't come. So very lightweight charging dock. Looks good, but very lightweight. You can feel it. It's a cheap one. It looks good. Okay. Okay, nothing else inside. And a little brush also. Okay. Wait a moment. This is the hair trimmer. As you can see, charging port, USB-C. USB-C. Okay. Check out the body. It's not slippery. Okay. And it seems like you can zero gap it. But for me, it's the same, still the same like the 2299 or 2296 or something like that. The blade they keeps putting on their hair trimmer right now. So for me, it's the same style. Just this design is different. That's it. And let's make a sound check. So you can hear it's not a fast hair trimmer. So for me, this is a home use hair trimmer. Yeah, for me, a home use hair trimmer. So now let's open this blade and see. So it's the same. Just look, the same system. And the same cutter blade. Okay, the same cutter blade, the same cam follower, and the same bracket. So maybe this one is different. I don't know. Because of this design. So I'm really interested. You see that? So let me see if maybe you can zero gap this blade. It came zero gapped already. Don't know if maybe you can see it good. Came zero gapped, really, but let's see. No, you cannot zero gap it. Yo, so that's it for the unboxing of this hair trimmer. So peace.